Today, I'll walk you through how to start an AI program inside any enterprise. Not hype, not theory, a practical roadmap you can actually use. Everything begins with business outcomes. AI is not a project. It's an engine to achieve measurable results. Start with 2 or 3 clear outcomes. Reduce workload, accelerate decisions, or improve customer experience. Once outcomes are clear, choose the right use cases. Don't start with the hardest problem. Start with a small, high-value use case that gives fast validation. Document processing, chat automation, and search are good starting points. Next, put the right team in place. A successful AI program needs cross-functional collaboration. A business owner, a technical lead, an AI specialist, a product manager, and a security representative. Small teams execute faster. The next step is your data foundation. Data is the backbone of an AI program. Identify where your data lives, clean it, classify it, and secure it. Strong data foundation equals strong AI output. Then comes architecture. Start simple. Use API-based models to validate quickly. If security or performance demands it, move to hybrid or self-hosted models later. Choose architecture based on cost, latency, and sensitivity. Now build an MVP, a minimum viable product, something you can deliver in 4 to 6 weeks. Your goal is not to launch a full system. Your goal is to prove value with minimal effort. As you build, define governance. Security, privacy, access controls, and human checkpoints must be established early. This makes your AI program safe, compliant, and scalable. Now measure impact. Use clear KPIs: time saved, cost savings, accuracy improvements, user satisfaction. Review the metrics every few weeks and adjust your strategy.
Once your MVP delivers value, scale it. Create playbooks, reusable components, and internal AI champions. Expand AI across processes and departments gradually. Enterprise AI is a journey, not a one-time project. Start small, deliver value, and scale with confidence. Follow NovaraaAI for practical enterprise AI guidance.